How you can upload the high quality pictures into your Facebook account. Hey guys, in the quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can upload any of the high quality pictures to your Facebook account. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go and open up your phone app settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down until you find the option of your camera settings. So once you are in here, you have to make sure that all of these options are at the high resolution. For that you have to go in this record video and the pictures, and from here you have to make sure that all of these options are at the 1080p HD at 60 fps. And in the Android you have to do the same feature, and after that you just have to go back and go into your Facebook. Now from here you have to go and go in this photo or the video, and you have to upload the picture that you want to add and post it. Now as you can see that its quality is still not good once you upload it. So if you do not like the quality, for that this is the last option that you have to do is, for that you have to go in the Safari or any browser that you are using, and from here you have to use a third party service like the Flickr. You have to search for the Flickr. Now basically the Flickr is a great option to upload the pictures at the high quality. So you just have to go in these Flickr photos, and from here you have to sign up into your account and add the pictures at the high resolution, and after that you have to upload into your Facebook. So these are the only option that you can upload the high quality pictures to your Facebook account. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.